Hey, what is up, guys? You're back here with JNT Vloggings, and today y'all need to go subscribe my brother at T Swagger Vlogging. And he's doing this for me today. He's got a baseball, and the thing got
You're not.
He's doing it. So the cover came off of a baseball, and he's untying. You're about to see what's inside of a baseball.
It's a little ball. I already know. I already did one. It's a little black ball.
I'm gonna sit here and peel in front of camera. Yeah, I'll get on the string.
Dang, this is.
Oh. Yeah, y'all need to go follow my brother, because he wasn't gonna do this
3
unless
subscribers.
Yeah, he's only got 3 subscribers. And he's trying to catch up to me, and then this.
Don't tell them about that,
Yeah.
because then they'll go and subscribe them.
I know that. Y'all follow, or y'all subscribe me and my brother. T Swagger Vlogging, and then me, obviously, J&T Brothers Vlogging. Okay.
I thought I was undoing it.
Okay.
No, let me get this last part. Stop.
Here, unpulling.
Let's off. There.
Get all that string.
But then we got more.
Yeah.
Mom, are you sending this to you?
This is the hardest part.
Mom, are you
20
sending
inch
this?
blade. Shot collar.
Ready?
You shouldn't peel all around it, but.
And yeah, I'm also wondering, like, I've been working on this one video for so long because I'm trying to edit really good, like highlights on this MLB game out of me and him.
I
And
win just to tell you.
It didn't go to the end, like the video.
Well, just
didn't
tell
go
them
to
I
the
won.
end. Yeah, my brother won. Okay, so.
Yeah, it's hard to say that. You're embarrassed. You're embarrassed.
What are you talking about? I beat you 2 times before that, and then
That was a
the
scrimmage game. The first game was a scrimmage game. But then the championship game, I beat
No,
you.
you said it was like a championship before or something like that. Okay, it was a scrimmage.
Yeah, rip it. I'm doing this.
Look at that. That's like grandma hair.
Woozy, Alabama, Texas.
This thing's
Go.
rolling all the way around. Hey, no, come here, buddy.
Stop, boy. You rolled it all off.
Okay.
Shot collar. Stop doing it so fast.
Oh, sorry. Here, go. Wonder what time we're going to Dad's.
Today
Okay, so-
is Friday. Shot collar. I love y'all fans.
My fans.
I'm hot, right?
You love my fans? Fans are awesome.
If anyone want to subscribe, if you're at, comment down below or subscribe if you're at Independence or something.
Independence
Academy.
And then it's our school.
I'm going to 5th. He's going to
7th.
7th.
Single as a Pringle.
He's single and he's ready to Pringle.
Ready to Pringle? Makes no sense.
Yes, huh?
I'm a single Pringle and ready to meet.
Oh, snap, I forgot. I'm single, I'm Pringle, I'm ready to... Oh, it's getting down.
Hey, it's getting
Guys,
low.
it's getting low to the floor. Stop, bro. No, let me do it. Stop. So we, look.
Okay, so
cool, because we can't see.
Y'all tell me, like, good apps I should edit with and stuff.
No, look. We
Good
can't
apps
see.
I can edit with and stuff, because I'm taking this one. Are you screen
Oh my
recorder
gosh.
or something like that?
Oh my
and
gosh, this
it's
is the
not
end.
the best. No, it's not.
Yes, it is, look.
It's hard. Like,
That can't be the
That's the end of a baseball.
No,
I thought it was
it's a
much
black ball.
smaller.
Yes, it's a lot smaller. Trust me. That ball that we had, what kind of ball was it?
Look at all that string. I'm gonna make a spider
We'll
web.
donate some string to you if you hit 30 subscribers and hit me 30 subscribers too. We'll donate some.
No, we won't.
Yeah,
No,
we
but
will.
I'm literally.
We'll meet you
like,
at wherever you Walmart. Yeah, Kmart. Walmart.
Target.
Wait, didn't you get your braces from Walmart?
Oh, I got it from.
Wait.
Oh yeah, I got my bottom braces.
Yeah. Okay, guys. This is why you never chase ducks, because ducks are on quack.
Stop.
Ducks are on quack.
Okay.
You're gonna
So
have to edit
that's
that.
the inside of a ball.
Hold on, no. I can check if it bounces. It is. This is not the inside of a ball. I just have. Sorry to tell you, you gotta get a knife.
Okay, well,
Get a knife, Jet.
nice one.
Give me the
I'm
knife.
gonna-
Woo! Here, you put that. Ready?
Okay, so yeah, I just want to hit at least 20 or 30 subscribers.
This is how we roll. You gotta cut it in half. Sorry to tell you, but you're gonna need a better knife than this. Hold on, stop.
Hold on. That's the inside.
No, it's not.
You ripped that.
Don't care. Gotta put it in the sucker.
Okay, so T Swagger vlogging. I'll put it in the link below, and just comment down below some good editing things. Like, what do y'all use to edit and stuff? I'm trying to be like Monster Mike people, and catch 'em all fishing and Flare and Lunkers TV. That's
And
like a
T-Swagger.
big one too.
Man, I caught like
T-Swagger.
a 15-pound bass yesterday. Man, it was crazy. This dude caught a, what was it? A 1.5? And you said it was your PB?
I did not. My PB is like 6 pounds.
That's small, right? Subscribe if you got a bigger PB than him. If y'all don't know what PB is, it's personal best, by the way.
I taught him that.
Yeah. At first I thought it was like,
It's a bracelet.
shut up.
Oh my god. Okay, so is that the end or no?
Nope. Nope.
I don't know. Actually, like,
I think there's a ball inside here. Comment down below if you think there is, and we might make another YouTube if we find a ball in there. Might be a ball.
Okay, so
Know what? We'll stab it and see.
we'll
what it
see
does.
y'all later. Comment about the editing. Subscribe me and my brother T
Hold on,
Swagger
hold
vlogging.
on. First, I'm gonna poke me. Ow.
Faker.
Ah. Hey guys, and I also gotta poke me in my eye. Ow.
Okay, so we'll see y'all later. It is pouring rain outside.
It is pouring me.
Okay.
Just comment down below.
Subscribe
I'm
T Swagger
Hollywood.
vlogging. Okay, that will be
Actually,
in
look
the
good with my hat like
description
this.
below.
Hold
and bye.
I never wear my hats like this. Hold on.
Okay.
No, hold
Oh
on.
my god.
No, that's a weird dog.
Okay, see ya.